Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your lock pattern invisible on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you try to unlock your screen or your Samsung S25 Ultra in public, and as you can see, it leaves a trail. So whoever steals your phone after this, he or she will be able to enter in this code by just looking at your screen and remembering the pattern. So let me show you how to make this trail invisible on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So to make your pattern trail invisible on your lock screen, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings. Next, scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. From here, find secure lock settings. Go ahead and enter in your pattern. Now from here, find this option called make pattern visible. Go ahead and switch this feature off. Now when you lock your phone and then unlock it using your pattern, you'll see your pattern will not leave a trail. So this is great as no one will be able to see what your pattern was when you're unlocking your screen. So there you go guys, that is how to make your lock pattern invisible on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.